In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open private or incognito browsing session in Google Chrome. Tutorial. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. There, you will see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu, and it gives you access to several browser options and settings. Click those 3 vertical dots to open the drop-down menu. A list of options will appear. From that list, select New Incognito window. As soon as you click it, Chrome will open a separate window specifically for incognito browsing. You will know you are in the correct mode because the new window looks a little different from a normal Chrome window. It typically has a darker appearance and includes an incognito icon near the top. From here, you can browse the web in that new incognito window just as you normally would. Pages you visit in this window will not be saved to your regular browsing history once the window is closed. If you want to end the private session, simply close the incognito window when you are finished. Once it is closed, that browsing session ends. That covers everything you need to know.